Alrighty, let's get started on Unit 4. So remember, we're making decisions, 9-step process. We bopped up to step 7, and this is analyzing alternatives. So from chapter 3, right here, one way to analyze these alternatives is to use single payment factors. Okay? But in order to understand and use these, we have to understand compound interest and continuous compounding, effective, nominal, and then we could add on here effective annual. Right? There's a difference there. Interest. This is the guy that we use in our formulas. 2% compounded monthly. 2 divided by 12, that's what we get per month. Okay? So we found in Unit 3, how do I find a future given a present? How do I find a present given a future? That's single. That's one chunk of money moving through time. So remember, we have P and F, and an N and an I. Last chapter, remember I said P is always for today times 0. It's today. Now, not so much anymore. Okay, we're going to kind of change things up here. The key to remember is that P happens before F, and F is after P. So you're probably like, what are you talking about, Krista? Okay, let me go up here. Let me draw just an example of a cash flow. Do a time. We'll do a time 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. In this situation, this value at year 3 is a present compared to year 6. It happens before. In this situation, what would N be? N would equal 1 period, 2 period, 3 periods. 3 periods. Now we got to kind of expand our thinking. We don't always sit here at time 0, right? We can be saying, oh, 3 years down in the future, I'm going to invest $3,000 and pull it out 2 years later. Okay, so in that situation, the P is at year 3, the F is at year 5. So that's where we've been, P's and F's. Now, where are we going? Well, we're going into the brave new chapter, which is the meat and potatoes. Chapter 3 and 4, as I've told you before, is the heart and soul of the course. Okay, Chapter 4 has 2 lessons. Lesson number 1 is uniform series. Lesson number 2 is gradients. We'll be doing gradients in class. Uniform series is right now. There are 4 uniform series types, and that's what we're going to do over the next 4 little video lectures. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alrighty? So that's where we're going. We're going to go down the uniform series path here. And this is an important chapter because our life is not always about one lump sum payments. It's probably about usually multiple payments. So with that, that's kind of where we're heading for the chapter. I'm sorry if I'm making a lot of noise here. I'm on the wrong page in my notes. So I will stop here.